I'm sorry guys, Tommy just farted. And don't replace me because if you replace me, nako talaga ng utin mo dong putol.
Yeah.
Yadlak ka. I have poison ivy.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. May tamimoy, honey. Alis sana kami ngayon, pero hindi ko alam. Oh, what are you doing now? Oh, we're going out. We're going to get something. We're gonna eat in the car for lunch. That's our date. Driving, ordering. So yun yung gagawin namin, guys. And do you have any idea what we're going to have? Like take out?
You said you were thinking about it.
Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung i-order namin. How about like, say hi to them. Good morning. It's the afternoon already. A morning.
Hi guys. It's almost afternoon.
Yeah.
So what are you thinking?
So mag-isip lang kami, guys. And then kita-kits tayo sa sasakyan kasi hindi pa namin alam kung ano yung o-orderin, anong gagawin namin. Basta kay lalabas kaming dalawa kasi hindi ko talaga feel ngayong araw. Hindi ko feel magluto. Kailangan ko siyang lutuin even though I don't feel like cooking, but I have to cook this before it go bad. Yeah, that's the thing. When you have vegetables, when you harvest, you cook it. It's up. You wanna cook this? Go ahead, but I wanna stir fry this. All of them together. It's a mixed stir fry. Filipino foodie. So, we're going to a date. Yay! Mag-date daw kami, guys. Okay. Nothing. Watch out, you're gonna be in the hole.
Yeah.
Yun. While he's driving, I am cleaning the dashboard. Cleaning the dashboard.
Who's dead here?
Hala.
A
Watch
poor
out,
little kid.
there's a girl coming. Is that a
No,
kid?
oh no, it's a squirrel.
Squirrel?
Oh no, it's not. It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Watch out, huh?
One little thing.
So, nakapag-desisyon kami, guys. We're going to get some KFC. See. It's interesting. Ding.
You're taking a long way.
So, Tommy's ordering. We do drive-through, guys, because they don't have this. They don't have the. You don't go too close, honey, because you cannot.
Well, I want to see what they. Yeah, see what I'm on.
Yeah.
All right, can I get an 8-piece extra crispy?
An 8-piece extra crispy. Right about now, I'm going to be missing 3 pieces in that. Can I give you the other 3 pieces in original?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
The next crispy I have is 10 minutes to come up,
Okay.
unless you would like to wait.
No.
And can I get side order of fries?
Large or small?
Large.
Okay.
And gravy.
Can I get a thing of gravy?
I'm so sorry, I can't hear you.
Can I get a container of gravy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And that should do it.
What's the other side with your 8-piece?
Oh, what other side do you want?
I don't know. It's up to you.
What do you want? Corn? Do you want mashed potatoes? You want another side of fries?
Another side of fries. Just do the.
Okay, another side of fries, I guess.
So 2 fries?
Right. You need to get a grip on life.
Okay, well, shut up. Shut up for me. Wait.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you today?
3047.
Okay.
How much?
3047.
Kita niyo, guys? Nagagalit si Mister sa akin. Look what he used word. Anyway, guys, so dito na kami sa grocery store. I texted you what? Okay. I'm going outside. Kakain lang ako ng isang chicken. Isang chicken lang yung kainin natin kasi ano. I think isang chicken lang yung kainin ko, guys. At saka may fries si Tommy dito. Ito siya. Kain tayo, guys. Chicken.
Did my words not come out right?
We're home guys, but Tommy is just like pin in the neck. Hindi na lang kami nagpunta sa lake guys kasi look, ang daming binili. He buy a lot. May mga maginaw pa. Pang ano talaga ito si Tommy talaga. Don't. Tignan nyo. Oh, look. He doesn't care. Do you want gravy with your chicken? Why?
Because it's stupid. Yes, you still did not eat your dinner. No dinner, no. I won't give you nothing from the table. You know how that works.
It's windy, guys. It's so hot outside, right? I'm sorry, guys. Tommy just farted. Stop farting. Of course, he has to show it. He doesn't want to embarrass me. I'm gonna cut that showing up today.
Go ahead. These are mushy already.
Yeah. Yung tiyan ko is kumukulo-kulo na dahil sa gutom ito. I don't wanna throw this out guys because nafe-feel ko pa na may laman pa. So ganito ako kapag mga malalaking mga ma-feel ko na may laman pa, ikakat ko na lang siya. Oh. 'Di ba? Kung itatapon ko 'to, 'di ba? Sayang naman. So yun. Bumili si Tommy ng ibang poison ivy na maximum strength talaga, 8 hours relief poison ivy each cream. Antensima helps stop to reaction. Ilagay ko to mamaya. And yung paborito niyang safeguard. Gusto niya yung safeguard. We're done having our lunch. Late lunch na guys. It's 2 o'clock. And I'm going to cook later. What are you gonna do with that porky? Put it in the ziplock. Put it. Yeah, and then look what you're doing. You got a lot.
Well, okay.
Tignan nyo guys, ang daming pork. Oh, buo ito pork. So let's check kung what kind of pork he got. Yun. Magkuha lang ako para sa gulay natin. 2 bag ito dapat para meron tayong pang adobo. Kung gusto natin mag-adobo. Ayaw ko mag-adobo kasi ito si Tommy. Siyempre kapag may adobo na lang kakainin. Kaya ayaw ko mag-adobo palagi. Nakakaluka ito si Tommy. So, ito, adobo. Ilagay ko lang sa freezer. Separate this. This is freezer one.
Okay, what's that one?
It's freezer too.
Okay, freezer 1 and 2.
Han? Do we have 2 and 2? 1 and 2? Don't even make fun of my wording.
This is freezer 1 and this is freezer 2.
Yeah, but look what happened guys when you see a sexy ladies have a nice mood.
Yes, I am not a cool one.
Yeah, I see your eyes. You do like this.
Okay, whatever.
And it's okay you look, Han. I'm not jealous. You can look, just don't touch. Okay? And don't imagine. Okay? This one too. And don't replace me because if you replace me, nako talaga ng utin mo dong putol. Putlon ko lagi na. Isuda ni makabisaya lagi na. Nako lagi talaga yung na. Huwag kayong mag-asawa ng Bisaya. Ay nako, maputol lagi na yung lagay. Maputol lagi na yung lagay nga nagbitay nga galay. Later, are you gonna make your macaroni?
Yeah. Later, not now. Later.
Laka, I have poison ivy.
That tech was crazy money now. I'll be itching like crazy. Got it?
How much is the thick now?
$15 for that one too.
Huh?
$15 for that one too.
That one little thing?
Yep. Yeah, no problem.
There's a poison ivy area here. How about that other one? Huh?
5.
So why you don't eat the other one?
I know you like the works better, so I got your technical. I'm going to try the other one anyway.
And then, ikakat ko lang itong mga gulay natin. Tommy told me, I'm here again while he's doing something.
She's playing a game. I told her I'm using the kitchen, getting everything ready while she's playing, so we're not in each other's way. So she stops playing and gets up and decides to start using the sink and everything while I'm doing it.
So, ito na siya, guys. Nilagay ko. Kinakat ko siya. Okay guys, it's 5 o'clock na guys. I guess mag-harvest na ako ng string beans, okay? Harvest. Harvest, harvest. Come. Right here, Roxy. Dami kasing string beans na. Piliin lang natin yung malaki na guys. Malaki, malaki. Malabing malabong. Malabing malabong. Para sa gulay, masayang buhay. Masaya ang buhay pag may gulay. Ganun. Asan ko to ipakanat? Dito na lang ito magkanat. Kanat ka na lang dyan. Dyan ka na. Ito. Meron pa bang malaki doon? Meron dito. Dito. Iba itong, ano na to dito. This kind of string beans, guys. Iba siya kaysa sa itong isa. Ito siya light. Okay. Hello. Hello, love. Look at the string beans, love. You happy? You happy with this?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so good. You're cleaning up your mess. Huh?
This is steel.
Let's cook na, guys. Let's go. I love you. I don't give you the money yet. Ang dami ko. Galing kami sa labas, guys. Ang dami kong string beans. Yung string beans, grabe, ang dami. And also, ano pa ba? Yung tomato, ipakita ko nga sa inyo. Ang dami ko ng mais pala, guys. Look. Look, ipakita sa inyo to. Look, ang dami. Oh. Ang daming tomato. Look. Diba? Madami siya sa ibabaw. Dito. Dito. And then dito, dami. Kahit dito, guys. Dito, makikita mo siya. Meron pang sa ilalim. Look. Ang dami. Grabe. Ang taba-taba ng tomato na to. Ang daming bunga. Hindi lang dito sa harapan. Dito sa likuran. Ang dami pa sa taas. Oh. Ganito yung ginagawa ko, guys. Pag may tumutubo, kinukuha ko siya. Look. Tinatawag nila itong pruning. Pinuprune ko kasi tumataas at saka hindi masyadong magbunga kapag hindi mo siya pinuprune. Dapat iprune talaga ito. Kunin to, ganon. Ganon. Saka dito din. Yan. Ito ba, nagtataka ako, guys. Matagal na to dito, guys. Hindi nagbunga. Iwan ko kung bakit hindi siya nagbunga. Walang bunga, useless lang ito eh. Atsal yan. Itong sili ko may kumakain. May kumakain sa dahon, oh. Ito din siya, guys, is cherry tomato, look. Yung maliit siya na tomato. Pero ang taas ng, look, ang taas. Umabot doon, umabot dyan, galing dyan, oh. Ito, pinuprune ko siya, oh, like, ganito. Kasi kapag hindi mo yan iprune, guys, mag-create na ng ibang sanga, and then hindi makakonsentrate yung nutrients sa bunga. Yan. Ganyan, pinuprune ko. Ganyan. Ito din, pro natin ito. Yan. Meron pa ba dito? Ito siya maliit. Ito yan maliit. Boom, chakala, kala, I wanna bula. No, ay kalain jud ana to di kalain di ka gibuhat ay gilainan di ka gibuhat jon. I don't really like what I did. Gilainan di ko jud. Boom, chakala, chakala kakala. Ang unahin po ko guys, ang unahin po ko. Ang unahin po ko. Ang ibig sabihin nan is ang unahin ko po di na mali. Ang unahin ko po. Yung fatty. Pasensya na guys ha, may pagkabaliw. Balintawag talaga tong utak ko. And aminin ko, talagang ganun ako. Kung ayaw nyo sa akin, kung ayaw mo sa akin, hindi wag. Hindi naman kita pinupugos.
Allah.
So I have to be myself or else kapag hindi ako be myself, be my lady talaga, hindi, maano talaga ako. Makautot ng sobrang baho. Kailangan talaga akong maging ako. If I want to be baliw-baliwan, then I can do baliw-baliwan. If you act like doesn't wanna be baliw-baliwan, then it's up to you then. Nasa sayo na yan. Kung serious ang buhay mo, hindi seryosin mo. Hindi, kinsa may namubos. Ha? Kinsa may namubos. Unahin ko na tong pot. Okay, may mga pot itong iba. Guys, naka-harvest na tayo ng another string beans. Ang saya talaga kapag. Ito na siya guys, ang dami. Chayote, okra, and then zucchini. And then, meron tayong talong at saka string beans.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Tapos na guys. Yun siya. Yun yung gulay natin. Kanina lang kaming kumain. Ay, tapos na kaming kumain at lahat-lahat. And, saan ko ba kayo pwedeng ilagay ba? Wiwi muna ako guys ha. Wiwi muna tayo guys. Kasi kailangan. Oh, ginaw. Ang ginaw ng tubig. Lubat ito guys. Lubat. Kailangan kong i-charge. Kalimutan kong i-charge. Ba't may langaw dito? Nag-ano lang kami, nag-relax. Yung gulay pala na niluto ko guys is ano siya. Bumalik naman si Tami. Pero hindi ko nagustuhan yung cucumber. Ang naalala ko kasi na niluluto namin yan noon sa Bukirin, yung cucumber. Ayan. Hala, the fly is coming in. Watch out the camera. Roxy is keep trying to get away with you.
Because of thunder.
Watch out my... Oh, the thunder is here?
Yeah.
Oh, she doesn't want to eat. Watch out my camera, huh? So how do you like the vegetables? Not really good, huh?
Yeah, you're okay.
You're okay. It's edible. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to end Roxy's right here. Oh. I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yun lang yung sasabihin ko guys. Don't stir fry the ano. Yun kasi yung gamit namin noon sa talaga sa Bukirin ba. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Dito tayo sa ano, magbihis lang ako sa taas. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye.